Hello friends, welcome back to the third part. After adding the little finger, make chain 3 and in every chain make 1 double crochet and complete the row 3. After the third row, on the fourth row, I will add the thumb. In the same process how I add previous fingers, I will add the thumb here. Who are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification. And don't forget to like, share and comment. Watch the video carefully, then you can learn how the hand gloves are made. Show the process of addition. After adding the thumb, complete the row with double crochet into the every chains. Now I am completing the row 4 and start row 5 with chain 3. Here on the row 5 I will decrease 5 chains, and on 6th row I will decrease more 5 chains, and on the 7th row I will decrease more 10 chains. On the 4th row there are 60 chains. I will decrease total 20 chains. On row 8 there will be 30 chains, and on row 8 I don't decrease any chains. Here I will show you how to decrease chains. Remember, don't decrease chains next by next. After decreasing one chain, then after 2 or 3 chains make double crochets, then once again decrease chain, and after decreasing make more double crochet into the next chains, then again decrease one chain. This is the process you must follow, but you can decrease chains on the 5th row anywhere, but you must follow the process. Now I am at the finishing line of this row 5. Now I am on the 6th row. Here also I will decrease 5 chains. In the same process, decrease one chain and then make double crochets into the next few chains, then once again decrease one chains you can decrease 5 chains anywhere of row 6. After row 6, on the 7th row, decrease 10 chains. In the same process, after 7th row, make one more row, 8th row, and there will be no decreasing. On the 8th row, there will be 30 chains or 30 double crochet. Then after the 8th row, on the 9th row, I will change the pattern. Now I will make the wrist pattern. See carefully. Don't put the hook on the chains, but put the hook into the double crochet. This is front side. Make 2 front side double crochet and then change the color, and using the second color, pull the hook from the back side. Make 1 double crochet from back side and then into the next double crochet, make 1 more double crochet from back side. Then take the blue color yarn and make double crochet from front side into the next double crochet from the front side. Make 1 more double crochet. There will be 2 double crochet of blue color from the front side, and into the next 2 double crochet, there will be 2 more double crochet from back side in color white. In this process, complete the row with a slip stitch, and on the second row of this pattern, start with chain 3 of blue color yarn and make 2 front side double crochet into the 2 double crochet of blue color yarn. Then into the next 2 double crochet, make 2 double crochet from back side of color white. This is the process you have already done on the first row. You also follow on the second row. I'll show you how to finish our row, and this is the second row. After finishing this row, you need to make more 2 rows of this pattern. Then your hand gloves will be completed. Now you are at the finishing point. Cut the thread and adjust the yarn tail. Your hand clasp is ready. Now I am going to write the name of my sons because I have made it for him. He is now 5 years you can make these hand gloves for 5 to 7 years girls or boys. Thank you for watching my videos and support me a lot. Look, they are so beautiful. Just follow my steps and make it by yourself easily at home. Thank you everybody.